Hey, welcome back to the Microsoft Teams YouTube channel. I'm Brianna from the Teams team, and today I will be sharing a new feature in Power Apps called Collaboration Controls that brings collaboration seamlessly into any business workflow. Collaboration Controls leverages the best of Microsoft 365 and Teams collaboration capabilities such as chat, meetings, tasks, files, and approvals in Power Apps to enable contextual collaboration around business processes. These new controls will allow you to build custom collaborative experiences that you can use right in Microsoft Teams. Let me show you an example of how this works. So this is Serena, and she is a manager at the Fabrichem Chicago plant. In her role, she needs visibility into various tasks and analytics. Her company uses a maintenance Power App solution within Teams to manage their equipment maintenance on the plant floor. At the daily pre-shift meeting, Serena learns that pump 7 on the ground floor seems to be defective. She opens Teams on her tablet and views the Asset tab of the Maintenance Power App solution, and she reviews pump 7 to see if there are any relevant notes. She doesn't see any notes, so she creates an inspection task to further investigate the situation. She assigns this task to a factory technician on her team named Mary. This will trigger a to-do notification, which Mary will receive via Teams on her mobile device. As Mary completes the inspection, Serena will be able to track the status updates live in her Teams Maintenance Power App solution. This is just one example of how Collaboration Controls and Power Apps creates one place where frontline workers and managers can more seamlessly work on their line of business processes, team tasks, and communication in one location, right in Teams. Other Collaboration Controls integration features include chat, bookings, team meetings, and approvals. So no matter what you're trying to get done, you can do it easily through a Power App solution. Try out Collaboration Controls with Power Apps today to see how you can enable a more seamless experience for your team within Microsoft Teams. Subscribe to our channel so you can stay current on what's new and discover tips for all the ways you can use Microsoft Teams.